Hello, my friends. Happy Friday and happy first day of May. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit fun with measuring around our house. But first, I just wanted to talk a little bit more about inches and feet. So when we look up at a ruler, we know that a ruler is 12 inches long. And 12 inches equals 1 foot. I hope that you went around your house chanting that 12 inches equals 1 foot, 12 inches equals 1 foot. But what happens when something measures more than 12 inches or 1 foot, and say something is 6 rulers long? So if we took 6 rulers, we lined them up, and it was as long as 6 rulers, what can we say instead of counting up all those inches? Well, we could say it was 6 feet long or 6 feet high. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going on a scavenger hunt. Now, it's a little bit different than a traditional scavenger hunt because we are going to be, you're allowed to pick the items, and then what you're going to do is you're going to estimate how big you think they are or how many inches or feet they are, and then you are going to actually measure them. So I'm going to show you guys an example of me doing this to my dining room table and then filling out our chart. So let's jump into that real quick and we will be right back. All right, here I am at my dining room table, and first I'm going to estimate how long I think it is. So what I did was I placed the ruler down on the dining room table, and I'm going to think to myself, well, how many rulers do I think that it could fit across the table? And one ruler we know is 1 foot, so I'm going to estimate that this is 6 rulers long or 6 feet long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write in our chart. You guys will do this on Seesaw, but I'm going to do it on here. I'm going to write dining room table. And then I'm going to estimate that it is 6 feet long. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually measure my dining room table. So I only have a ruler, so what I did was I made sure that it's lining up with the first inch here, and I'm going to use my finger. So I'm going to say that's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have about 11 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and write on here that it was 5 feet, 11 inches long. So that is my estimate, that is my measurement, and that is the item that I measured. So let's go back. All right, so you saw that I was able to take an item like my dining room table. I estimated how long or how many rulers I thought it is. Remember that 1 ruler equals 1 foot and 12 inches equals 1 foot, which is the amount on the ruler, 12 inches. And then you are going to estimate that item, and then you are going to actually measure that item. When you are second graders, you are going to try your hardest to estimate closest to the actual amount. So when I estimated how long my dining room table was, I said that it was about 6 feet. And then when I did my actual measurement, it was 5 feet, 11 inches, which is really close. So I'm looking for you guys to do the same. Most importantly, have fun. Try and find some cool objects around your house to measure. You only have to do about 3 to 5. If you want to do more, feel free. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing the cool objects that you do and seeing how smart you are when you estimate and then you actually measure. Have fun, and I will talk to you guys again on Monday. Enjoy this beautiful weekend.